Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please be seated. I bring you warm greetings from the distinguished Ashanti Regional Minister, the Honorable Dr. Kumawood. He would have loved to be with us this evening. Unfortunately, official assignments are taking him out of the country, but he is here with us in spirit. He supports whatever we are doing, and he has asked me to extend his warm greetings to those of you who have made time to join us. This is art, and it is something that is synonymous with those of us from Kumasi and Ashanti. We are coming to witness creativity at its best. Drama is such an important activity that helps us to recreate, to refresh, to distress. I had wished to see the whole auditorium packed, but it is the main one that we as government are getting involved. So I believe over time we'll get a lot more people to appreciate what we want to do for the good people of Kumasi, and for that matter, Ashanti region, by using the creatives to create opportunity for our compatriots. There's so much economic opportunities within the creative arts. What we have to do is properly harness it, and it will only be possible when we get our people to support whatever initiative that we come up with. So on behalf of the regional minister, I want to wish you a pleasant evening. I'm sure we're going to have a very beautiful drama, Oobake versus Akwaaba. I am Ashanti, and typical indigenous Ashanti, the which one? You know, the real Ashanti pa. There's no way we will be here and Oobake will come and triumph by us. When I heard the Oobake Akwaaba thing, I asked my friends who have gone. Passion M is owned by a gun. But when you see it, it has the inscription Akwaaba. Tell him to erase Akwaaba, write Oobake on it, and fly from Dakar Airport to Kumasi shore. There's no way any other coinage can beat Akwaaba on any day. We are a proud people. We cherish our culture. We cherish our kingdom. We cherish everything that is Ashanti. We encourage other tribes to also cherish what they have. Cherish your culture. Together we can serve Ghana positively out. Don't hate our test because we are projecting what we have, which we believe are our values. And on any day, anytime, we will make sure that we position our language strongly, we will position our culture very strongly, and I am sure that today we will show a good case for Akwaaba. Thank you very much.
Santimaya, Emuba Kupa, Kumawood. Na yehwe aban bi e bafia aban bia eni suade mu se obe provide job avenues e dia man you omo wo man ene me bisa asem ya nkasa ye lawyer Dennis Eguta jene do na friend Dr. Like nipa do was send and I in the day omo Dr. Like said kon kan sa the way nipa do was send and the one he said Mercy, legend is here. Why you see? Nipa was saying, and our own employer on this set. We actors, if you want to you require you to be Yan said, Kumawood for the war Ashanti man. And it is a baby I did down. Now I can see creative job avenues. I'm a not a sneak anymore. Not a me arm for being more than thousands of the user. I didn't know ye just to their own faith. Ye now you have a catching sleep for no and then Ashanti myself. Yet is the castle now so a come Eddie. Dr. Frank said, and then I just can't see all them now, and yet just the movie people, who comedians were, and comedians are amazingly well. Musicians, they are doing amazingly well. Or some of them send the office and you're always open. Said on it a warning now ever come. Now you let me a diguma. Now you did to money here. You let me up a gas you let me ama Ashanti and in Abanyam. Me am Jina Messiah board secretary of CAFA. Me papa bishop Ewa. Now the media yedino Chidoma Dr. Frank away. Yaniso Nemu only what was if I can say a na ebi ensamble aban his excellency John Dramani Mahama and that oyadema creative union so how out of the tight schedule omnity or the invitation or say was it over here abua amakumamu aban to mapa efiabiano obey creative message say nya akonya na Asante yakase eyoman we can only do that through a storytelling. And the best say yanka a deity as Ashanti and your mind. Yama Obian, the rich cultural heritage of the Ashanti. Way elevating Abua, Ama you see Jano, you make me educating a lot of people. To the corporate world, yet we are suffering and a mother. Creatives know we are at your mercy. And then you don't get the other system. almost Ashanti Mountain. Name and never can say, can you tell us Makola? I could be our crying. Yatinasi Abusa Yamuda, again in activity of the Makola, it will be one crying because there is not an enabling environment. Corporate institutions, the best friend, more did you man, your creators no, who went to Monsa after all. These are people who are always happy to have money will be now. Am I betting Yabua, Nassini, Edmano, Abayon? Yabadamas, long Papa, long
you so much. Thank you, Mayor. God bless you for the opportunity. And much love to them. Regional Minister himself. God bless you. God bless Governor White. God bless Santa. God bless Kumasi City. When I say Mass, you say Mayor. Mass, Mayor. Thank you so much.
Now you know why he's dear to my heart. Now you know why he's dear to my heart. Thank you so much. So we're finally done.